Maybe YouTube becomes humanity's digital earth.
Hi, me in 10 years.
Hey.
YouTube is the closest thing now for time travel.
I still come back to the fact that like what really makes YouTube what it is.
YouTube will be the last place where AI cannot dictate. Here comes the money. Let me start telling you a small, tiny story. If you are planning to start a YouTube channel in 2026, I have a very good reason here. Please watch the video until the end. Maybe YouTube become humanity's digital earth, where real people meet each other when everything else got automated. I kept thinking about this. What if AI take everything except YouTube? Not some jobs, not some industries, everything. YouTube, not as an app, not as a website, but where the last place where humans meet each other and share their feeling. YouTube was never just entertainment for me. Yes, I waste my time here, I got entertained, but I also learn things from strangers that I won't be ever able to learn from the people around me. And I've seen people with no money, no skills grow from scratch on YouTube. I've seen that. That's fascinating. On YouTube, we don't connect by countries, religion, or social status. We connect by interest, curiosity, pain, and emotions. Someone in another country watching this video right now, you, and thinking, yeah, I have the same feeling the same thing that I feel, that is not entertainment. That's a connection. And honestly, that's strange and powerful.
I still come back to the fact that like what really makes YouTube what it is you guys. Like it's creators, and it like creators are like human beings, right? Like because we want to see the best humans compete against each other. You're connected, you're invested in those people that are there.
This is why I don't think AI will take over YouTube, and it will always be on creators. This surprised me. Recently, YouTube CEO Neil Mohan, he said effortless AI content will not be monetized on YouTube. We need AI content. We can use AI content to show our visuals, to give the expressions, but always videos will be directed and touched by humans. You know what I mean, right? So we will get the AI support, but always directed by humans. And at least voiceovers, the plans, the visuals, everything will be directed by humans. So because YouTube will be watched only by humans, right? AI won't watch the YouTube content. So human to human, human creates, human watch. I don't think YouTube ever will be taken down by AI. So it will be the last place where humans share their feelings. So if you are planning to start a YouTube channel on 2026, I have a very good reason in this video. Watch till the end. If AI solved the greatest problem of mankind, working for money to survive, nobody enjoys working for money to survive. Then people will have free time to think, time to feel, time to sit with their thoughts. Jobs were never happiness. It's always about routine, control, and survival. So when AI start taking all the jobs, doing better than us, doing cheaper than us, doing faster than us, then it's not only removing the income of humans, it removes the identity. Because when someone asks what do you do, it becomes who we are, right? The answer. Here's the scary part no one is telling you. When people stop working, they stop interacting with people, because work forces them to talk, interact with other people even if they don't like. But when you take that away, loneliness doesn't explode loudly, it grows quietly. In future, YouTube might be matter more than your neighborhood. So sounds crazy now, but it will be normal in future. Here's where most of the creators get stupid. If you want to start a YouTube channel in 2026, please remember this. Most of us treat YouTube as a lottery. Post once, wait for a magic, no, quit. But YouTube isn't a lottery, it's an infrastructure. Road doesn't make you rich, but business needs roads to grow. I hope you got my point. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, keep consistent. See my channel, I have only 19-20 subscribers, but I still keep doing it. Even I lost my motivation most of the time, but I still keep continuing doing it. So I'll be comfortable with the audience. I hope audience like my videos, and I will try to keep it improving. I'll give the best reasons for you to start a YouTube channel in 2026. One more thing, in 10 years, not being online will be like socially invisible. YouTube is not a competition, it's a gold rush. People say YouTube is crowded. It's like saying too many websites on internet. YouTube is not a job where few people can win. It's not a business where competition kills the profit. It's not a store where customers choose one product out of the competition. Here's the secret most people miss. More people on YouTube, more money to share. YouTube gives you free hosting, free distribution, and free global reach. They show your video to everyone around the globe who has the same interest. It's amazing, right? YouTube digital immortality. What if I told you YouTube is the closest thing now for time travel? Yes. You record your video today, and someone will watch that after 10 years.
Decided to whip out a phone and record videos to go public deep in the future and try to predict what my life would be like, what the channel would be like. And after 10 incredibly long years, me in 10 years, finally went public.
If you have seen Mr. Beast, he watched his 10-year-old first video, which is 10 years old, and he was appreciating himself for doing that, starting that, after 10 years.
Me in 10 years.
Hey,
I'm gonna schedule upload this video
Wow.
10 years in the future. So you're gonna see this in 2025.
Oh my god.
It's 2015 for me right now.
Ah, this is crazy. Look how young I look.
So your voice, your thoughts, your personality will be digitally stored on YouTube, still there as a video. Now here where it gets crazy. In future, AI will create a digital version of you, and your YouTube video will train the AI model. Your kids, your grandkids, even people from 100 years from now on will be talking to your digital version, talking to yourself. Making videos today, you are not just creating content, you are creating a digital version of yourself for future, your legacy. Here comes the money. Not the way people think. 99% people work for money, but smart people make a system work for them. On YouTube, viewers don't pay for anything. They are not paying to watch your videos. And you are not selling anything, but you still get paid. No customers, no begging, no marketing tricks, which trying to trick people to pay you money. It's just YouTube. You create your content and you get paid. That's the most basic thing. Money is not the goal here. It's the side effect of impact. People say you should have started YouTube 15 years ago. But honestly, it could be harder at that time. Because that time, no YouTube shorts, no smart TVs, and YouTube is not everywhere. Today, people watch YouTube in an 85-inch TV. And smart TVs, smart devices, everything available. And it's easy to create content and easy to watch. And YouTube even have automations, YouTube have AI systems to analyze the viewer's behavior and direct the videos exactly for the people who need to watch. Audience will never been bigger like today. The doors are not narrowing, not closing, it's wide opening. Let me start telling you a small, tiny story which will motivate and give you a reason to start a YouTube channel in 2026. 20 years ago, me and my dad wanted to start a TV channel. We check everything online, what are the requirements, everything. We have to purchase a powerful transmitter and also create a studio. And not only transmitter, we need signal boosters to place everywhere in the city to boost the signal so people can watch from everywhere. This is just for a small city, not the entire world. And we need a massive amount of money, like 20 years ago, like $150,000 just for the equipment, not to running cost. And we have to have a marketing team and beg for advertisement from companies to run the TV. And the most difficult thing, we have to get the frequency license from the government, which is almost like impossible. So just for starting $150,000 20 years ago, it's like $1.5 million at this time. So that's just to start the channel, not for running. Now you can start a YouTube channel with your smartphone. You can record it, you can edit it, you can upload it with just a smartphone device. That is amazing, and it's free totally. And it gives the global reach. What else you need? If everything else become automated, I don't want to disappear quietly. I want to leave my trace. And that's what YouTube matters. Best time to start a YouTube channel is 10 years ago. But second best time is right now. So I think YouTube will be the last place where AI cannot dictate. AI can support. AI can create fascinating things. AI can support massively to do a group of editors and graphic designers and visual graphic creators. All these jobs can be done by AI, but direct by humans. For small creators, AI is a massive support, but it's always human touch. If this made you think, you're already late, but not too late. So guys, if you enjoy this video, thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe and share it. Do whatever you want. Somehow I'll see you in the next video.